औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोबारा आप सभी का खैर मकदम इस दूसरी पारी में। This is a very low total given by France 11 Chukar. Only 69 run is target given by France 11 Chukar to Yal Blasters. This is very low total here at Chukar Tulbagh ground given by France 11 Chukar. Very good bowling by the bowlers of Yal Blasters. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है याल ब्लास्टर्स की। एक अच्छा खेल का यहाँ मुजाहरा किया फ्रंट्स 11 के खिलाफ यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज 69 टारगेट फॉर याल ब्लास्टर्स। This is very low total at this pitch. 69 runs is a total target for Yal Blasters. आप सभी से गुजारिश है इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले वो इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट का मजा ले आने ले इस मैच का। The target is total 69 to win this match for Yal Blasters. Very low total here at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is T20 Super Cup, third edition played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Kota batsman now. This is first delivery of this second inning. This is a good bowling by the bowler. Very good bowling. Dot delivery, no run. But the total target is 69 to win this match for Yal Blasters. Faisal again on his bowling mark to the batsman Khurshid Teli. He is on strike. This is full toss delivery. This is 4 for Khurshid. 4 for Yal Blasters. Khurshid opens his account with this 4. Now they need only 65 runs to win this match. This is a very low total given by France 11 Chukar here at Chukar Tulbagh ground to Yal Blasters. This is T20 Super Cup, third edition played at Chukar. The two teams are Yal Blasters and France 11 Chukar. Faisal again on his ball mark to the batsman. Batsman Khurshid wants to hit this, but at the end, very good comeback by Faisal. Oh, this is full toss delivery, and this is 4 for Khurshid Teli, 4 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 8 without any wicket, and this is first over of the second inning between the two teams, Yal Blasters versus France 11 Chukar. Now again Faisal on his bowling mark to the batsman Khurshid. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. This is expensive over by Faisal. The score moves on 9 without any wicket. The total target is 69 given by the team France 11 Chukar. Faisal again on his bowling mark to the batsman Khurshid. This is a good comeback by the bowler Faisal, the young and energetic bowler of France 11 Chukar. Now the total runs are 60 to win this match. Faisal to the batsman Khurshid. Khurshid wants to hit this ball, but cannot touch. So this is first over. The score is 9 without any wicket. Yal Blasters, now they need only 60 runs to win this match, and they have 10 wickets in hand. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए याल ब्लास्टर्स की बॉलर्स की, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे। और आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। सो द फ्यूचर स्टार आदिल डार, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is 6, very good shot played by the batsman Umar, hit shot. This is huge 6 by the batsman Umar, first 6 in this match, and this is 6 for Yal Blasters, 6 for Umar. He opens his account with this 6. The score moves on 15 without any wicket. This is very great hit by the batsman Umar. इस मैच का पहला छक्का इस बैट्समैन के नाम उमर. Now he is again on strike. This is Adil Dar again on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Umar wants to hit his ball but missed by the bowler. Very good comeback by Adil Dar. Dart delivery, no runs, score remains on 15. Yal Blasters, they need to be cool and calm because they have low total, 16-9 runs to win this match. This is again Adil to the batsman. This is a great comeback and very good fielding at the end by Manzoor Dar. The score remains on 15 without any wicket. Adil Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. He is on 6. Oh, this is a chance of a wicket. Can they take? Oh, this is first wicket for Adil Dar. And Yal Blasters, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Umar. He goes on 6 runs. And this is end of Umar. This is first wicket for Adil Dar. This is a very low total given by Frans Alivanchukar. 69 runs to win this match. But Yal Blasters, they lost their first wickets in the shape of Umar. Murtaza Ashraf, Umar on fire. Thank you, Umar. Murtaza Ashraf Saab for your love to Umar, but he lost his wicket on 6 runs. This is first wicket for Frans Alivanchukar. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. मुर्तजा अशरफ, शिट उमर, थैंक यू मुर्तजा अशरफ for your love to Yal Blasters. Now the new batsman is Yawar on strike. Adil Dar, he takes his first wicket in his first over. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. सो दिस इज अगेन आदिल टू द बैट्समैन यावर. हियर इज द चांस, बट एट द एंड दे मिस दिस चांस. Yaqub Dar is the fielder. Very lazy fielding by the fielders of Frans Alivanchukar. They need early wickets if they want to stay in this match. They need to take early wickets because they have low total 69 runs. This is a very good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 16 for the loss of 1 after 2 overs. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि जो घर बैठे देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले. This is very important match between the two teams. Yal Blasters versus Frans Alivanchukar. First, Frans Alivanchukar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But not good batting here at Chukartulba ground. They gave only 69 runs target to Yal Blasters. Now, Akbal Mir, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Yawar. Yawar, he's on strike. Last hope, future star on, thank you. Last hope for your love to future star. Keep update your. This is a ball to the batsman. This is a good catch. Oh, he missed this catch. Very lazy fielding by the fielder Faisal. They lost 2 chances here. Frans Alivanchukar, they need to take wickets. अपने bowlers का साथ दे, catching ले, क्योंकि they give low total 69 runs total given by Frans Alivanchukar to Yal Blasters. यहाँ पे फील्डिंग चुस्त करनी होगी Frans Alivanchukar को, साथ देना होगा अपने bowlers का. Now Akbal Mir again to the batsman and this is good shot played by the batsman Yawar. This is 4 for Yawar, 4 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 20 for the loss of 1. This is a very lazy fielding by the fielders of Frans Alivanchukar. आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को निराश किया आज Frans Alivanchukar ने. Now Shahid Lone, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Akbal again to the batsman Yawar. He's on 5. Oh, this is a 6 for Yawar. Very good shot played by the batsman. First 6 for Yawar. This is 6 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 26. Very good shot played by the batsman, young and energetic batsman Yawar. यहाँ पे विकेट चटकाने होंगे फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, अगर इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है, क्योंकि एक लो टारगेट दिया है 69 रन्स। शाहिद लोन आपका शुक्रिया, आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे देखने वाले जो भी हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का आनंद लें, इस मैच का मजा ले। यहाँ पे छक्कों की बारिश हो रही है याल ब्लास्टर्स के बैट्समैनों की। The score is 26 for the loss of fun. उमर डार आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। एंड यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। दिस इज अगेन a ball made to the batsman Yawar. He is on 11. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Yawar. This is misfield here by Manzoor Dar. This is 4 for Yawar. 4 for the Yal Blasters. Very lazy fielding at the end by the fielder of France 11 Chukar. This is very lazy cricket here played by France 11 Chukar. They need to be cool and calm. They need early wickets if they want to stay in this match, if they want to stay in this tournament. Again, a ball made to the batsman Yawar. Yawar wants to hit this ball, but at the end, very good fielding by Faisal. No run score remains on 30 for the loss of one. King Yawar takes to join us with this live broadcast. This is again, this is 6 for Yawar. Very good hit by Yawar. This is huge 6 for Yawar. 6 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 38 for the loss of one. यहाँ पे आज छक्कों की बारिश हो रही है याल की बैट्समैन की तरफ से। The score is 36 for the loss of one. किंग यावर आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से नवीन के इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, मजा ले इस मैच का। And you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Keep share this, keep allow this live broadcast. Now again the future star Adil Dar. He's on bowling mark to the batsman Kharshid Teli. He's on 8 with the help of 2 fours. This is great delivery by the bowler Adil Dar, but at the end the 2 batsmen take a single. At the end very lazy fielding by Wahid Dar. आज जैसे कि आज जल्दी है इन प्लेयरों को जाने की, आज फ्रांस 11 चुकर को एक सुस्त खेल का नजारा दिया यहाँ पे चुकर फ्रांस 11 चुकर ने। So this is again Adil to the batsman Yawar. He's on 21. He's on fire. Oh, this is good delivery, but at the end missed by the wicket-keeper. This is a wide and by 4. स्कोर तेजी से बढ़ता हुआ 42 on board for the loss of 1. यहाँ पे विकेट चटकाने होंगे फ्रांस 11 चुकर को क्योंकि लो टारगेट दिया है आज। Now again Adil to the batsman Yawar. Yawar again this is 6 for Yawar. Very good shot played by the batsman. Sorry, this is 4 for Yawar, 4 for Yal Blasters. The partnership moves on 31. Very good batting by the 2 batsmen Kharshid and Yawar. The score moves on 46 for the loss of 1. आज दाद देनी होगी, तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे आज याल ब्लास्टर्स की बॉलर्स की। Adil again to the batsman. The batsman wants to hit this ball, but at the end missed by this ball. The score remains on 46 for the loss of 1. This is a very great keeping by the wicket keeper of France 11 Chukar, Altaf Dar. Again Adil Dar to the batsman Yawar. Oh, this is a chance. This is chance of a wicket. Can they take? Oh, very good catch at the end by the fielder Hayat Dar. He take his catch and Adil Dar take his second wicket in the shape of Yawar. This is very good knock played by Yawar. He moves on 25 and this is end of Yawar. Now the score is 46. Now they need only 23 runs to win this match. This is very low total here given by France 11 Chukar. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है याल ब्लास्टर्स के बॉलर्स की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे। जल्दी ही विकेट चटकाए फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर के। The total target is 69 to win this match, but after 3.4 hours the score is 46 for the loss of 2. Now the new batsman on strike, Adil Tar, he takes 2 wickets in his second over. Last hope का से आती है ये लोग। Thank you last hope for your love to फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर। ये क्या चल रहा है? Thank you last hope. This is again Adil Tar, future star. This is full toss delivery at the end. This is a good shot played by the batsman. He opens his account. This is a 4 for the batsman. He opens his account. The score moves on 46. Yeah, call him. The score moves on 50 for the loss of 2. It is up. Score 50. This is a great shot played by the batsman Yunus Malla. He opens his account with his 4. The score moves on 50 for the loss of 2. This is the last delivery of this over of Dar Adil, future star. This is great delivery. Oh, very good delivery. This is out chin by the umpire. This is third wicket for Adil Dar, the future star. The score is 50 for the loss of 3. Wahid Bashir, nice, keep it up. Thank you Wahid Bashir Saab for your love, for your support. This is T20 Super Cup, third edition played at Chukka Tulba ground. So this is the end of Wahid. This is a great ball by the future star Adil Dar. He take 2 wickets in 2 hours and gave 21 runs. This is a very low total given by Front 11 Chukar. 19 runs to win this match, and they have 7 wickets in hand. Hayatdar on his bowling mark. The new bowler Hayatdar comes to bowl. He is on his bowling mark. Zahid Bhatt is the batsman. New batsman for Yal Blasters. Hayatdar is bowler. Which can Naj? Hayatdar on his bowling mark. He is one of the senior cricketer bowler of this team. This is chance here, but at the end, very good fielding at the end. This is a dot delivery. No runs to go, remains on 50 for the loss of 3. This is again Hayatdar on his bowling mark to the batsman Khurshid Teli. He is on 9 with the help of 2 fours. Oh, this is great delivery by the bowler Hayatdar. Beat the batsman Khurshid Teli. He wants to hit this ball, but at the end missed by. Very good delivery by Hayatdar. The score remains on 50 for the loss of 3. Now again Hayatdar, the batsman Khurshid Teli. He wants to hit again, but beat the bowler Hayatdar. Now again Hayatdar to the batsman Khurshid Teli. This is a very good delivery, slower delivery by the bowler Hayatdar. The score remains on 50 for the loss of 3. Now 19 runs to win this match, and they have 7 wickets in hand. This is again very good delivery, quality delivery by Hayatdar. Here the 2 batsmen, they need to be cool and calm because they'll need 19 runs only. Very good delivery again. This is up. This is a maiden hour by Hayatdar. After 5 hours, the score is 50 for the loss of 3. This is a great over by the bowler Hayatdar. This is maiden over by the bowler Hayatdar. 19 runs in 78 deliveries, and they have 7 wickets in hand. Ishfaq Dar on his bowling mark. You must go. You mustn't ball. Ishfaq to the batsman, Khwaj Zahid Bhatt. This is wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 51. Now 18 runs need to win this match. This is great shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Zahid, 4 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 55 for the loss of 3. Ishfaq Mujid again. This is a good comeback by Ishfaq Dar. No runs, score remains on 55 for the loss of 3. Now again Ishfaq Mujid to the batsman Zahid Bhatt. Zahid Bhatt wants to hit this ball but beat the bowler Ishfaq Mujid. Very good delivery by Ishfaq Mujid. The score remains on 55 for the loss of 3. This is another good delivery by Ishfaq Dar. Now 14 runs are remaining for win this match to Yal Blasters. This is again Ishfaq to the batsman Zahid Bhatt. This is good shot played by the batsman Zahid Bhatt. Huge 6 for Zahid. This is 6 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 61. Now 8 runs are remaining to win this match. This is a low total here given by France 11 Chukkar in this tournament. This is low total. Zahid Bhatt, he moves on 10 runs in 5 deliveries with the help of 1-4 and 1 huge 6. Now again Ishfaq Mujid, he is very expensive, 11 runs in 5 deliveries. This is wide again given by the umpire. Now 7 runs to win this match. Ishfaq to the batsman Zahid. This is a good comeback by Ishfaq Mujid. Dot delivery, no run, score remains on 62 for the loss of 3. Now again Hayat Dar, he is again on his second over. Farshid Kelly, he is on strike, he is on 9 runs. Now 7 runs need to win this match. Can they win this match in this over? It will be seen in next. This is a very good bowling at Chukkar Tulbagh ground by the bowlers of Yal Blasters. Now they need only 7 runs to win this match. 1 hit for Yal Blasters. Khurshid Teri, he is on strike. Wants to hit. This is out given by the umpire. Very good keeping by the wicket keeper of France 11 Altaf Dar. This is great keeping. Yal Blasters, they lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Khurshid Teri. Now Bilal Nazir is the batsman on strike for Yal Blasters. He is a stylish, young and energetic batsman for Yal Blasters. Now the new batsman is stylish batsman Bilal Nazir. He is on strike. 7 runs to win this match and they have 6 wickets in hand. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप सभी से नवीन की इस मैच को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का आनंद ले, इस मैच का मजा ले। सो दिस इज द न्यू बैट्समैन ऑन स्ट्राइक, Bilal Nazir. He is on strike. Hayat Dar, he takes his first wicket. Very good bowling by Hayat Dar. This is another good delivery by the bowler Hayat Dar. He is a very senior cricketer, very senior bowler of Chukkar France 11 team. Again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal Nazir. He is very stylish player. Wants to hit this ball but very good bowling by Hayat Dar. Beat the batsman. Score remains on 62 for the loss of 4. Hayat to the batsman Bilal Nazir. This is great delivery by Hayat Dar. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 62 for the loss of 4. Hayat to the batsman Bilal. This is chance. This is good catch taken at the end by the bowler Hayat Dar. This is wicket for France 11 Chukar. Yal Blasters, they lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Bilal Nazir. He goes on duck. This is great bowling by the bowler Hayat Dar. He takes his 2nd wicket. Very good catch taken at the end by the bowler Hayat Dar. The score remains on 62 for the loss of 5. Now 7 runs remaining to win this match. This is a very good catch taken by the bowler at the end. यहाँ पे अगर बात करें इन दोनों टीमों की तो दोनों टीमों जो है यहाँ पे बल्लेबाजी में निराश करते हैं अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को, क्योंकि 5 विकेट गवाए, सिर्फ 62 रन स्कोर बनाए हैं याल ब्लास्टर्स ने. Now they need only 7 runs. Can they win this match? It will be seen. So this is again Hayat Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Arif Loan. He's a new batsman. Oh! This is another wicket for Yal Blasters. Very good keeping by the keeper Altaf Dar. This is good keeping by the wicket keeper of France 11 Chukar. यहाँ पे शाबाशी देनी होगी फ्रांस 11 चुकर की, क्योंकि 6 विकेट छटकाए, 62 रन स्कोर किए हैं फ्रांस याल ब्लास्टर्स ने. दिस इज वेरी ड्रामेटिक मैच एट चुकर दुर्बा ग्राउंड. यहाँ पे दोनों टीमें जो है सुस्त नजर दिखाई दे रही है यहाँ पे. Yal Blasters need to be cool and calm because they need only 7 runs to win this match. But they lost 6 wickets. Now they have 4 wickets in hand. Very good bowling by the bowler Hayat Dar. This is end of Hayat Dar's over. 3 wickets, 2 overs, no run, 2 madam. Very good bowling by the bowler Hayat Dar. आज दोनों टीमों की हम अगर बात करें तो एक लेजी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे, क्योंकि 5 विकेट याल ब्लास्टर्स ने भी जल्दी गवाए. They need to be cool and calm here if they want to win this match, because this is very low total given by France 11 Chukar to Yal Blasters. Now the new batsman is Irshad Rabada. He is a new batsman on strike. आज ये मजा करना तरह से This is very great bowling by the senior and senior most bowler of this team, France 11 Chukar. He take 3 wickets in 2 overs without any run. Now Zahid Butt is on strike. He is on 10 runs. On non-strike Irshad Rabada. Future star Adil Dar. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Zahid. अगर हम कीपर की बात करें, एक अच्छी कीपिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज अल्ताफ डार विकेट कीपर ने. फ्रांस 11 चुकर को एक अच्छी सफलता दिलाई यहाँ पे. Adil Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Zahid Butt. Yal Blasters, they need 1 hit to win this match. Adil to the batsman Zahid. Oh, this is double touch by the batsman. This is 4 for Zahid, 4 for Yal Blasters. The score moves on 66. Now 3 runs are remaining for win this match. This is low total given by France 11 Chukar. 69 runs is the target. Now 66 is on board. After loss of 6. 3 runs are need to win this match. Zahid Butt, he is on 14 runs in 7 deliveries. Again Adil Dar, future star. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman, beat the batsman. Very good comeback by the bowler Adil Dar. No runs score, remains on 64 after loss of 6. यहाँ पे आज दाद देनी होगी याल ब्लास्टर्स के बॉलर्स की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया. Now again Adil Dar to the batsman, wants to hit this bat at and the two batsmen take a single. Now 2 runs to win this match. अगर हम फ्रेंड्स अलीवन चुक्कर की बात करें, आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया हयात डार ने. आदिल डार द फ्यूचर स्टार, he also doing very well in bowling. Now again Adil Dar to the batsman Irshad Rabada. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. Now 1 run to win this match. Adil Dar again, future star. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad Rabada. Oh, this is great delivery by the future star Adil Dar. He takes his third wicket. Very good delivery. Irshad Rabada, he goes on duck. यहाँ पे दोनों टीमों की बात करें तो दोनों टीम यहाँ पे बल्लेबाजी में नाराज करते हैं अपने चाहने वालों को, क्योंकि एक लो टोटल दिया था यहाँ पे, लेकिन 7 विकेट गंवाए. अब 1 रन जीत के लिए चाहिए याल ब्लास्टर्स को. One run to win this match in 62 deliveries. Now the new batsman is Shaheen L. He is on strike. Adil Dar, the future star. He takes 4 wickets. Very good bowling by the young and energetic bowler of this is a win for Yal Blasters. Very good cricket played by the two teams here at Chukatul Park ground. So this is the end of this match. Yal Blasters win this match by 3 wickets. This is the Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.